Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem vanilla gift card online using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar that pops up at the top of the screen, type in balance.vanillagift.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in this page, you'll be able to see an option that says manage your gift card, and there are several text boxes appearing on the display on the left hand side. Simply enter your card number that is available at the back of your gift card for vanilla and make sure to enter the 16-digit long gift card. Once you have the correct information, type in your expiration date right beneath, type in your CVV number, and finally click on the sign in button. Soon after you do that, you'll need to sign into your account on the next page. Simply enter your credentials for vanilla.com and follow the on-screen prompts. That way you'll be able to redeem your gift card online right away. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.